Hey, this is Flo and welcome to my first indie iOS devlog. In this series I want to take you along the journey of developing apps by myself, publishing them to the App Store and then taking a look at the results and planning future updates and so on. In this first episode I want to talk to you about my newly launched app ChallengeMe. It just launched 2 days ago on the App Store and I just want to show you what the app does, how it works. Maybe show you some updates that I have planned and also go into the numbers of the first day. Okay, so first of all, on the right hand side here you can see the simulator running the app, and this is the home screen. And the idea of the app is that there are different challenges that you can do from areas like mindfulness, minimalism, productivity, fitness and so on. And I'm adding challenges along the way, so my goal is to have at least one new challenge a month, preferably obviously more. Okay, so at the bottom here you can see a couple of suggested challenges. So let's look at find your study type, and you can see there's a detail screen with a brief description of the challenge and then all of the tasks that you have to do. And this app works in a very simple way. So you take a challenge and then every day you get one task to do. So for example, the task of the first day here is called preparation is key, and it takes about 10 minutes. And then the second day is about the Pomodoro technique, taking about an hour and so on. And then on the top here you see the challenge that you currently have active. So for me it's the beginner's mindfulness journey. There is always a beautiful image associated with each challenge, and right here I'm on day 2 of 5. So there's a short description for this day, and then there is the task for this day. Also always there is a duration, and then once I have completed the task I can just hit the button. Then the next task is already shown, but I can only complete it the next day. So basically you have one task per day. And then also on the bottom here there's once again the overview of the challenge itself. They're also categorized. This is basically in preparation for when there are many challenges in the app available, so you can sort them by categories. And then there is also like a tiny statistic down here, how many people are currently doing this challenge and how many people already finished it. And then you could also stop doing the challenge. Then there is also the search tab here, where you can just search for challenges and also filter them by categories. Then there's your profile. So this is just a test account here. You see your starting date, you see how many tasks you've completed and how many challenges you conquered basically, and then also your history of your current active challenge and all the ones that you already did in the past. Then there is also a leaderboard. It shows the top 25 people in the app, sorted by the amount of challenges and then by the amount of tasks. So this is the account that I used for developing the app, hence it is definitely first place right now. But then in here you also see the challenges that someone did. So you could, for example, tap on one if you find it interesting and then just directly take on the challenge. And then of course there's also some settings. For example, you can suggest a challenge if you have a nice idea, and you can also give some feedback to me. Also a couple of links and a link to rate the app and so on. Okay, so that's basically the app. And then right now one challenge is free, but with the next update 2 challenges will be free, and after that you need to subscribe to the premium tier. I'm thinking of overhauling this so that for example 1 to 2 challenges per month are free, and then if you want to do more you should upgrade. And then I'm also planning on adding more features to premium, for example random daily tasks that are not associated with a specific challenge but are just about improving yourself in general. Loading the subscriptions doesn't work in the simulator because I'm using Revenue Cat for that. Alright, and then let's go to the left hand side here to the App Store Connect window. As you can see, on the first day 15 people already installed the app, which is very nice. It's a lot more than some other apps that I launched, so I really like it. You can see the conversion rate is extremely high actually, but this will probably go down with time since I've obviously posted the app on Twitter and so on the first day. So only people who are interested actually clicked on it probably. Okay, so that's basically it from this first episode, a basic introduction to ChallengeMe, my latest self-improvement app. I'm constantly working on new features, and actually the first update will drop within the next week or so, I would think, and then new challenges will also be on the way. Alright, if you enjoyed it and want to see more of these devlogs, then just leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.